now. Okay, so actually this thing, which time on this clock? Okay, so let's take a look at this one here. All right, so the answer is A. All right, so let's make sure we got that. So remember there's 4 types. There's 3 types that we talked about: mutualism, commensalism, and parasitism as a way of symbiosis. So here they both benefit. It's called mutualism. Okay. What if it's commensalism? What happens in that case? One benefits. What about the other one?
No.
Yeah, neutral. No gain or loss. Okay. All right. Parasitism is disease. All right. Any questions about that one? Okay, here's the next one. Now, for some reason, these are all have. All right, so the answer should be A. So let's take a look at that one. All right, so this is the disease course. Okay, so you want to make sure you know what the order of diseases are. So it always starts with incubation, then prodromal, illness, decline, and convalescence. So that's the actual order. Okay. Also, you want to know what happens during each period. So when are the symptoms most severe? Illness phase. Okay. And if you start to feel malaise, what time is that? Prodromal, right? That's before the disease, right? So prodromal is that you know you're getting sick. Right, so make sure you know. You can describe what happens in each phase. Okay. Any questions about that one? Okay, here is the third one. Good, that's good. So it should be a latent disease. All right, so because we talk about inactive and then it becomes active. So what's an example of a latent disease?
Chickenpox.
Chickenpox, right? That's one. Herpes is another one. Okay. All right. What's a chronic disease? What's one that we've had that's chronic, that we learned about that's chronic? Yeah, so hepatitis can be chronic. Yeah, that's usually the one that we hear about, chronic. Here is the next one. the answer to that one is D, so let's go to that one. Okay, so if this is pandemic, so if it's pandemic, it means it's going to be worldwide, right? So you have to look for one that best matches that. Right, so worldwide means it has to be on more than one continent. So this one's going to be D, okay? If it's, so what do we call, so if we look at C, what do we call that one? Not, huh? Not endemic.
Epidemic.
No, not epidemic. Epidemic means it's higher than usual. Actually, which one would be epidemic? B. B is epidemic, okay? What would C be? There's only one left. So if it's not endemic, what's the one that's not left? Maybe you haven't called yet. Begins with the S. Sporadic. Sporadic, okay, so. Okay. All right, any questions about this one? So make sure you know those different phases or different types of disease in terms of population. So here's the next one. Okay, so the answer should be A. So let's go to that one. Okay, so it's respiratory tract. So why would it be respiration? You're always breathing, right? Okay. All right. So you breathe more frequently than you get cut or wounded, right? So that's why it's going to be the most common. Okay. And that